Empowering women over 40. Break free from 9 to 5. Welcome amazing women over 40. Are you feeling trapped in the 9 to 5 grind? Let's explore how you can earn more, work less, and prioritize your well-being. It's time to rewrite your story and embrace a lifestyle that works for you. The 9 to 5 struggle is real, physical toll. Long hours sitting or standing can exacerbate health issues like sciatica or arthritis. Mental strain, constant multitasking, and workplace pressure lead to burnout and anxiety. Work-life imbalance, juggling career and personal responsibilities leaves little time for self-care. Your health matters. Listen to your body. Chronic pain from conditions like sciatica shouldn't be ignored. It's your body's way of saying enough. Mental well-being. Stress and anxiety from work can lead to long-term health issues. Prioritize your mental health. Work smarter, not harder. Flexible work arrangements can help manage health concerns and improve overall quality of life. Breaking free. The new work model. Flexibility. Work when your body feels best, whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening. Location. Independence. Say goodbye to commutes. Work from home, a cafe, or anywhere in the world. Time management. Set your own schedule. Work as little as 2 hours a day or more. Earning potential. More money, less time, specialized skills. Leverage your years of experience to offer high-value services in shorter time frames. Global opportunities. Access a worldwide market of clients, expanding your earning potential beyond local limitations. Multiple income streams. Diversify your income with various online gigs, creating financial stability and growth. Overcoming challenges. Technology learning curve. Embrace online tools and platforms. Start small and build your digital skills gradually. Self-doubt. Remember your worth. Your experience is valuable in the online marketplace. Establishing routine. Create a flexible schedule that accommodates your health needs and personal life. Success stories. Women like you, Sarah, 52. Former teacher now earning double as an online tutor, working just 4 hours a day. Linda, 61, retired executive turned virtual consultant, tripled her pension income working part-time. Maria, 47, ex-accountant, now selling digital art, found relief from chronic pain and financial freedom. Your journey starts now. Explore options. Research online opportunities that match your skills and interests. Take action. Start small. Even 1 hour a day can lead to significant changes. Prioritize you. Your health and happiness matter. It's time to put yourself first. Here at Earn US Dollars, from anywhere you can work as little as 2 hours per day, or as much as you want, and earn more while working less. Please take a look in the description that says Learn More. Click on the link to learn more. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Bye for now.